What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday over here, Labor Day if you're in the US. Hope you guys got to spend some time with your friends and family and not just looking at the crypto charts like as much as I have, but I still have spent some time with friends and family, so that's good. On this post, I'm going to be talking about Doge and going to be following up with my previous post on this coin and seeing what could be going on in here. Going to be talking about Bitcoin and how that could potentially affect the overall crypto markets as well, because Bitcoin right now is underneath 26K again, getting very close to a possible very bearish breakdown here. Going to see what levels we should be taking a look into for Bitcoin, because that could affect a lot of the altcoins, including Doge. Going to be taking a look into some upwards and downwards price targets for Doge, as well as key price levels we need to be paying attention to for this coin to get to either directions. I am going to be sharing with you guys my personal opinions and sentiments on this market later on in this video, so make sure to stick around. Lastly, all of this is just my purely personal opinions. It is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I an elite trader of any sort, even though I am a profitable trader who's managed to keep most of my profits in the last bear market. But I am looking to crush it here for the next bull cycle. So if you guys feel the same way, make sure to hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into the charts here. So we do have Dogecoin currently at about 6.3 cents. Down, not really much movement at all for today. And it doesn't look like there has been much movement for the past couple of weeks. Okay, so let's revisit what I said last time, okay? It doesn't look like anything has really changed since the last time I did a post on Dogecoin. Price action is still it's still above this breakout of this falling wedge pattern, which usually breaks to the upside. And it did. Price action broke to the upside about week of July 17th. And then went as far up as about just above 8 cents there, okay, before getting rejected pretty hard, coming all the way back down to about 5.6 cents. Is this over for this breakout? Okay, because the measure target, which is an estimate only, does not necessarily have to get there. The measure target out of this breakout is supposed to be about 15.5 cents. That is an estimate. Do your own research on measure targets, measure moves, and see what they mean. It's open knowledge out in the internet, right? Don't just take what I'm saying. So price action is basically still holding this breakout here. We do have a double bottom here on this weekly time frame. Okay, so it could take some time to play out. But in my opinion, it's still very much this breakout is still very much in play. And we do still have, I think we still have bullish divergence on this weekly time frame. Well, I mean, very close, right? I mean, the levels on the weekly candles aren't exact, but in my opinion, yes, we do have bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Very close, not technically, but so basically price action, in order for this price action to break out of this double bottom, which would be a sub pattern of the breakout of this falling wedge pattern, right? It does need to get back above, I want to just say 8.5 cents just to make it even, right? It's gonna get, just reading the candles here. Let's take a look into the daily time frame and see if we have any earlier signals that we can get out of a breakout of here. So a daily candle close, in my opinion, or even a daily candle break above I'm just gonna say 8.5 cents just to be even, okay? Better safe then sorry in this scenario here. An 8.5 cents break on the daily candle would tell me that it is highly likely that this double bottom is breaking to the upside and is in play. Okay, double bottom patterns are usually bullish patterns. And then let's take a measured target out of this double bottom pattern. Since both of these wicks are, pretty deep, I'm going to take into consideration of this wick right here. And then you add it on top of the measured targets. I mean, the neckline of the double bottom pattern. So roughly speaking. So we have a measured target from that double bottom pattern to be right above 11 cents here. And right above the 11 cent area here. Like I said, measured targets, not absolute, not automatic. Okay. So that's what I'm looking at for Doge. We have a bullish break of this falling wedge, and then we have a possible double bottom that could be playing out. A daily candle break above 8.5 cents to be safe, in my opinion, to tell me that this double bottom pattern is in play. However, quite a bit of moving averages to be looking out for as resistances. Right off the bat here on this weekly time frame, we have the weekly 21, 50, and the 200 SMA, which is the blue line, gray line, orange line, respectively. That is resistance basically coming from about 7 cents to 9.5 cents, expecting resistance in that range. 3-day time frame. Basically all major moving averages on this time frame is between the price action now and very close to that breakout point of that double bottom pattern, which is anywhere from 7 cents to about 8.6 cents area. Expect quite a bit of resistance from those major moving averages on the 3-day time frame. Daily moving averages, basically 7.5 cents and below, to immediately where the price action is. Okay, you guys can look for yourself. Monthly time frame 21 and 50 are basically very close to each other at about that 9 cents area. So very much resistance between now and some of those measured targets mentioned. Let's take a look into the downside here. Always got to acknowledge the downside. Okay. So right here on the downside, if the price action, it is still possible that this price action, breaks down from this double bottom pattern. I think that would be, it's pretty hard to say, to describe, I guess. Let's see here. What would be a bearish case scenario? It's really hard to put some words on this pattern here because of the amount of wicks that already wicked down. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look into the monthly time frame and see if I can get a more consolidated view of supports here, right? So the next level of support would be about that 5.5 cents area. If you actually break 5.5 cents area, coming from these candles right here, if you guys can see, just this group of candles here at about that 5.5 cent area. Next level down will be coming from this candle, which would be about the 5 cents area, right? So that's about, that's still a good 20%-ish down. Just math on top of my head right now. Next level down would be about coming from this group of candles here. From this uptrend about February 2021. It will be about 3.7 cents area. I mean, that's going to be pretty far down already. So we have 5 cents That's the next level of key support if it breaks 5.5. And then 3.7 cents coming from this group of candles. I'm just reading past trading history here for support, okay? So you guys can look for yourself and verify. That's what I'm seeing as the next key levels down. Obviously it's gonna be it could go pretty deep down if it breaks 5 cents from what I'm seeing here. Let's take a look into Bitcoin and talk about my overall sentiment on this market and what I am doing. Before that, if you guys have made it this far into this video and don't already have a Webull account, make sure to check out my referral link down below. If you guys want to open an account and deposit $100 to get 6 to 12 free stocks at the time of recording of this video. Each stock valued up to $3,000. Terms and conditions do apply, okay? And I will also get a referral bonus if you guys sign up using my referral link down below, so I greatly appreciate that. I enjoyed using Webull as an exchange. I think they're great for beginners for trading cryptos and stocks. Very easy to use, but with any exchange, I would not put most or all my money on any one exchange. I personally spread my money around several exchanges in case one goes down, I don't get wrecked. So, check it out using my referral link down below. I think it's a good way to, just diversify funds across different exchanges, personally, in my opinion. Now, let's go ahead and take a look into Bitcoin here, okay? Bitcoin here, we do have Bitcoin currently at about 20, just right underneath 26K here, okay? We closed right at about, very close, very little below that monthly 50 SMA. In my opinion, we have not lost it, at least on the monthly time frame. What I'm really looking at here is the weekly time frame here, which is, like I said, like I've been saying, there are 3 possible scenarios that are still very much in play. A very bearish case scenario if the price action confirms a breakdown of this double top pattern, which would be, breaking about 27K, 24.7K, 24.7K. That would confirm a breakdown of this double top pattern. Very deep measure move here. If it breaks down from that double top pattern, we can explore more of that when it actually plays out, but that's the measured target. Possible bounce, that weekly 50 SMA, which is the gray line at about 24.2K area. That is scenario number 1, very bearish. Scenario number 2, rising channel pattern. If the price action is able to reclaim weekly 200 SMA and the weekly 200 SMA, that would be a good start. If the price action is able to get somewhere close back to this upper trend line of this rising channel pattern, much more bullish, because then this cup and handle pattern is in play, okay? And that will affect not only Bitcoin and a lot of the altcoins as well. What I'm personally doing is I have both longs and shorts in this market right now, depending on their setup. I am not bearish on this market, at least, in the longer term, until the price action actually breaks down from this double top pattern. Okay. Now, I am not currently trading Doge at the moment, but if you guys want to see more updates on Doge, make sure to like, subscribe, comment. I will bring you guys a follow-up if enough of you guys want to see updates on Doge. That's it for this video. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day.